If you've ever wondered how to quickly add new pages to your Shopify store and make them show up in your navigation menu, this guide is going to walk you through the exact steps in the simplest way possible. Whether you're creating an About Us page, a contact page, or any custom section, you'll be able to do it confidently by the end of this video. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify account and head straight to your store dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, click Online Store. This will open up a list of tools that control your store's appearance. From here, select Pages. Inside the Pages section, you'll see any pages you've previously created. To build a brand new one, click Add Page. This takes you to a clean setup screen. Your first job here is to give your page a title, something clear and descriptive so both visitors and search engines instantly understand what the page is about. After that, scroll down to the content area. This is where you add whatever your page needs. Text, images, details, instructions, anything that delivers value to your audience. Think about what your visitors are looking for and lay it out in a clear, engaging way. Next, choose a template for your page. Shopify offers different preset layouts, and picking the right one gives you a solid visual foundation. Don't worry, you can customize the look later if you want. Once everything looks good, click Save. Your new page is now officially created, but it won't appear on your site just yet. To make it visible, you'll need to add it to your store's navigation. Go back to the online store section and click Navigation. Choose the menu you want to edit. Most store owners update the main menu, select Add Menu Item, enter the name of your page, link it to the new page you created, and save your changes. And that's it. Your custom page is now fully built and seamlessly added to your Shopify navigation menu. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you build a cleaner, better organized Shopify store. Let's keep creating.